Hey all, it's Wilbur. It's been a hot minute. We're gonna try to get a dub. I played in a bit. It's briefly above 1700, and then I lost 2 games, and we dipped back down. Let's see if we can once again start the rise back above. Just play some giant specialists, maybe. Always a big fan of throwing down some giants in the game. Opponent is Rhino Spec with Tank and Fang. And we are a marksman with some Mustangs. Might just do like an Assman start here. What do you guys think? Should I do Assman? I mean, it's always entertaining, right? Let's do it. Let's go for it. Fang way in the back there. I'll wait one run to Assman. I don't know if this one marksman will have it in him here to kill all these fangs, but we'll get pretty close. Wow. You drop already. Fire Badgers are probably best for econ. Wraith is probably best for aggro. If you guys Phoenixes were like hosed if they go Wraith. Could just go for some Wraiths. I mean some Fire Badgers, it'll help us here. Get our flank on. Assman going. More set of fangs. Unlock crawlers. So our friend went Typhoons. So everybody thinks they're OP. Looks like we don't get any flanks yet. Got the tower. These Typhoons will be gone soon. Alright, we got the one Assman to survive. Nice. Portable shield, speed's good here. I'm playing like an aggro game, so speed's great. I think we'll put a late crawler here. Grab a tower upgrade. Maybe grab damage. I think next turn we need to go some air units, maybe we'll be doing Wraith next turn here. Could also do a giant flank. Maybe we just put like a fortress here with bubble. Yeah, we'll keep this marksman down here a little bit. Alright. EMP tanks. Interesting. Maybe it's just like boat. I'm like boat here. Subsidized crawlers. I mean, we don't have any crawlers to subsidize. Bubble's always good. Bubble here. Bubble like this. Bubble here. Oh, just bubble here. Grab a boat. Put a boat down. Maybe back it up a little bit. Put down a set of some fang dogs. Kinda want a rapid here. What would we rapid? Rapid plus a dude. Puts us at 250. It's not enough for range. I really want to get range here. It's enough for another one of those. I think I'll just do the HP up this round and then chill. Rhino is really good placement. Looks like the boat might win us this round. Hopefully we can save our bubble, which is good. Wasp Swarm seems good. Probably like Wasp Swarm, get this tower. I think we do it. over here. I think we'll just put another set of crawlers here. Crawler's boat. Rapid boat. Do that. I think we'll just hold on to some money. Maybe just like one missile here. Yeah, so the Wasp Swarm looks like a missile. I mean, he still doesn't have an answer for boats. He keeps building Typhoons, so like, Typhoons don't kill Overlords very efficiently. So I think I just do like more boats with ground cannon. And that'll probably be enough to win. I'm gonna have to double check this corner to make sure he didn't put like something over there. It looks like it's just a missile. Senior is great. Just more boats. So we'll do ground cannon. We'll just put another boat there. Got lots of levels, so I'm trying to push to end, so still think we want like a missile here. It was pretty good last round. Alright, let's see what happens. Big EMP coming down. Not sure how much that'll matter. You got his own set of boats. Might be problematic. I'll have to do something about, I don't know if we'll win this round anymore. Get text back. Alright, looks like we're hitting his boats before he hits ours. Unless we lose tower, which we did. Yeah, now we lose. Okay. So I just needed more garbage over here. I mean, Sabertooth and anti-missile would be good. Or I could just melt her. Just do like our own set of melters. Gonna grab Cobra. Range. Maybe up these two guys. I think we just need some more fangs, I think. A set of crawlers maybe back here. Level this one more time. Like bubble right here. Alright. Looks like I got enough to win though. Vote down. These guys aren't getting it. Yeah, got it, I think. GG. Hey, it's a dub for our first game back in a long time. Feels pretty good. A little bit of Assman action, some boating. Feels pretty good. Got a nice win. Didn't lose. Yeah. I think sometimes people just overvalue Typhoons, and I think that's what happened in this game. Like, the Badgers were a pretty big economy. They were free. I think on the round I grabbed them. So I had to point out a place that I played bad was probably that one. I don't know if EMP sludges were doing a whole lot. Like, kind of get it. Maybe he was trying to shut down Assman, but like, is Assman worth shutting down? Question mark. Don't know. Never did get range on Mustangs. They kind of feel like half a unit when you don't, but had other priorities like boats. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the quick one. See you on the next one.